Hi, happy Thursday, good people. And today was raining day in Hong Kong. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I went to market, good people, but many days in Hong Kong was raining. And look at that, so messy. Every day raining and never stop. Morning to morning, night to night, always raining. Oh my goodness. I think it's raining season here, but I'm not sure. Oh no. And now I'm on the way go to market because I went to Yaumatei market just now and I can't find something there, so I'm going to Mongkok market. Look at that, very messy. But there's so many people going out, good people. Hong Kong never quiet. Always many people going out. Okay, see you later in the market, good people, okay? Okay, good people, I'm right here in the Mongkok market. The rain was heavy, but I need to go to Indonesian shop to buy coffee because my coffee finished already. So I need to buy pack of coffee in Indonesian shop. So let's go, we go to Indonesian shop, okay? Halo, Cek, masih di sini. Mau beli kopi. I'm here. Hai.
Warga ketemu kon selalu modele ke podo.
Lah modelmu jajan delokne.
Tete nyuwun tulung pundutne kopi niku.
Niki.
Nggih, satu aja.
Malah seneng TikTokane to.
Matur suwun.
Mendinane statusmu
Ngopi ra ngopi mumet. Podo to. Orang ngopi mumet ngantuk.
Tapi saiki spray wis olah telung mi.
Sopo takok.
Ayo.
Ora apa-apa, sehat, Mbak.
Pengen aku teh.
Pintenan sih tak.
Okay, good people. I met Indonesian friends. We're talking and eating there. Good people, finished buy coffee, and now I want to buy fish and pork. Maybe I will buy the pork in the supermarket, not in market. But in here, not many people going to market with people. Maybe raining. Sometimes if no raining here, so many people and very crowded. So many shops closed. Look at that. Because raining every day, no one to buy. No, I meet my friend. She's buy lettuce. Mbak, kok wis teko kene lho sampean ke? Sik lagi Buddha apa? Lah aku ke bar kaya mate kono ya an. Melaku tau sampean mang? Aku mang karo pakku. Kem dino udane iki piye? Tak golek iwak aku. Yo, bye-bye. Okay, another friend again. We are talking. Indonesian also. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, so many long and good people. Look at that. That's expensive. $35. I don't know, maybe I want to buy this kind of vegetable. I'm not sure. Oh my god. I don't think so. Sometimes in here, if no raining, very crowded to people. This $30 for two, but I don't want to buy this to people because I never buy this kind of fish before. Oh my goodness! Wow. This kind of fish is very expensive. I can find the people. Oh my goodness. See this lemon so cheap. $20 for $30 for sangkan. Okay, good people, maybe I just want to buy fruit and then I go home. So thank you for watching, good people. Thank you for following me. Go to market, raining day. Thank you so much for your support. Student with you, love you, and bye bye, good people. I need to buy this green apple first and then I go home. I don't, oh my god, I don't need to buy anything. Okay. Tete,有冇拎蘋果啊？落葉啊，日日落葉啊，橙色得啦，呢個唔係啦，好啦，是但啦。Okay, people, thank you, see you and love you, bye.